So, wait, you can't see me? Am I like okay, you can't see me. Am I? So what is up, guys? It's your boy Jay. We are gonna be doing targeting practice. So we're gonna be using. That's right. Let's go. See the easy. Like coming. So less. Sniper. I'm gonna do a sniper shot. Right headshot. Oh, wait, this first shot doesn't like the laser doesn't put there. No, what? Close stuff. What? Is it gonna be? I'm gonna aim for that. Giving it. Headshot, mate. Headshot. Yes, I like that. I like that. Headshot. Sorry. Headshot. I don't know why I keep on saying headshot. Headshot. Wait, coming. Okay. So let's go again. See Daisy again. So guys, I do know the camera was not recording, but I did a headshot. I did a headshot. I wish I could play that, but my camera wasn't recording. Oh my days! It was a straight headshot though. Wow. Oh! Again! What are you saying? What are you saying in the comments? What are you saying in the comments? What are you saying? I can fly. Oh, just lovely. These are all going to be playing in slow motion. Lovely. I can fly. No. I can fly. I can fly. Sorry for the red box. Okay, we're gonna end the video there because I'm just gonna mess up breaking it up. So, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Make my day. Smash the like button. Please. And comment down below what you want.